to me that they can't do it. They got a full-time job. They can't trade. They can't do this. They can't do that. So I've decided I'm going to go get a real job again, a completely day job, probably in sales. And we're going to literally go step by step exactly how. Now, I'm going to have my big account still to trade with, but I'm also going to create a small account and trade with it as well on Robinhood, and kind of show you guys it's very, very possible to go from very little and make good money within a few months or within that first year. It doesn't take a ton of money to do what I do. Guys, I'm just so sick of hearing people say you can't do this, you can't do that. So I'm literally going to record all of it. It may be a lot of videos of me just like this in my truck explaining to you guys, showing you guys what I'm doing, but I'm going to literally just grind this out, get a job. I've already got an interview at a couple of places. One's going to go really, really well. I kind of already know what I'm doing there. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to do that. Right now I'm at my girlfriend's parents' house. I'm going to go see my dog real fast, and then I am heading back up to Lafayette to go look at another house. Yes, Lafayette, Indiana. We're going to go look at another house, and I will see you guys here in this next clip.